Passport 2 Pro is an all-in-one, multifunctional travel adapter that works with electrical outlets in over 200 countries. It's equipped with 2 USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, and a multi-region AC outlet, which is competent for charging all your devices during international travel. Passport 2 Pro's 61-watt USB-C power delivery port can half-charge an iPhone in just 30 minutes or fully charge a MacBook Pro 13-inch laptop in 2 hours. The 10-ampere auto-resetting fuse enables the Passport 2 Pro to recover from overload up to 6,000 times without service or replacement. The retractable plugs are integrated into the adapter's all-in-one design and can be accessed with one hand using the press and slide controls. These plugs are compatible with outlets in most countries and regions, including the United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Canada, Mexico, Asia, the Middle East, and more. Passport 2 Pro also adopts a child-proof shield to ensure that the AC outlet is used only for plugs. Weighing around 160 grams, the Passport 2 Pro is extremely convenient to carry around and comes in 2 colors, black and white. The link is in the description. FaceCradle is an adjustable neck pillow that helps you sleep comfortably in the middle of your travels. Its super high-quality memory foam pad keeps your head and face unbelievably comfortable, while the sturdy fiberglass reinforced nylon frame provides support and spring comfort. This neck pillow offers 5 comfort modes, namely dozing, snoozing, table nap, deep sleep front, and deep sleep side. FaceCradle allows you supported access to the full 180 degrees forward of your seat to get your head more horizontal. It's the way you normally sleep, and it allows you to toss and turn in hundreds of different positions so you can find your sweet spot. The same strap that helps you get into deep sleep mode also doubles as an easy carry strap, so you can clip the FaceCradle onto your bag or carry it over your shoulder, allowing you to use both hands to board quickly and easily. The link is in the description. Recharge is a versatile travel mug that brews tea or coffee, hot or iced. You can use its built-in smart brewer system to steep your favorite tea on the go. First, add a tablespoon of your preferred tea. Next, pour hot water till it reaches the upper hot tea line. Then, insert the smart brewer partway and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, push down the smart brewer to complete steeping, and you're ready to go. If you are a coffee enthusiast, switch the tea microfilter for the coffee filter in the smart brew system and add ground beans to brew your favorite coffee, which also helps the environment by reducing the use of single-serve coffee cups. Unlike other tea infusers, the Recharge makes over 16 ounces of delicious drink, and when you remove the infuser basket, this travel mug can hold 18 ounces of liquid so you can fill it with your beloved grande-sized beverage. The double sealing mechanism of the no-leak lid passes the Shasana test, guaranteed. Recharge is made of premium, German medical-grade stainless steel and is available in mint, mustard, raspberry, and more colors to best match your style. The link is in the description. Compact is a reverse folding umbrella that opens and closes inside out and fits straight into your bag. It opens up and over the user, avoiding the danger of poking anyone in the eye. Getting into your car, you can close the Compact into the smallest gap of a car door while remaining dry. The reverse folding mechanism ensures the Compact is dry to handle, which leaves the wet side of the canopy contained on the inside when closed. Compact's strong, bespoke design helps prevent it from blowing inside out in windy conditions. In the unlikely event that it's blown inside out, it can be restored to its original shape by the touch of a button. Compact's locking mechanism closes the frame tightly with a click, preventing the canopy from flopping open and rainwater dripping out. The bias binding over the seams gives better strength and waterproofing. Manufactured from durable materials such as aluminum and specialist waterproof canvas, The compact comes in a choice of 5 colors and is also available in a designer printed canopy. The link is in the description. Pocket Monkii 2 is an incredibly strong yet ultra-light bodyweight trainer that you can use anywhere. Whether you're a traveler or homebody, newbie or musclehead, you now have the freedom to work out without being stuck in a regular gym. Pocket Monkii 2's 4-way transport strap offers multiple ways to connect to your pack and also enables you to store your grips inside the adventure case when not in use. If you work out in your hotel room, the stainless steel door anchor can provide enough counterweight to keep the Pocket Monkii 2 on your door even when the door is opened. The anodized aluminum grips are comfortable, strong, and coated with a matte finish for extra grippiness. You can simply adjust the angle at which you work out to make the exercise easier or more difficult. The incredibly minimalist dynamic adjustment system provides 9 setup heights that make it simple to set your favorite positions. With the Monkii app, you can learn hundreds of workouts that fit seamlessly into your busy day. Pocket Monkii 2 is available in green, blue, gray, cyan red, and more colors. The link is in the description. Q-Bottle is a collapsible water bottle that fits in your bag and keeps you hydrated on the go. Its unique spiral design creates stunning looks and allows the bottle to be compressed to take up less space, ending your days of carrying bulky and heavy empty bottles while traveling. Made of 100% BPA-free food-grade silicone, the Q-Bottle is 100% plastic-free, helping you save the environment in the most stylish way possible. Unlike metal or plastic containers, silicone is soft to the touch and comfortable to hold. Q-Bottle is lightweight and compact, taste and odor-free, stain and bacteria-resistant, dishwasher-safe, shatterproof, and temperature-resistant up to 400 Fahrenheit, making it safe for hot and cold beverages. The wide mouth fits in any sized ice cubes, and the stainless steel cap provides an airtight seal, preventing spills. Q-Bottle comes in 2 sizes, 12 fluid ounces for travelers and 20 fluid ounces for everyday use, as well as in a variety of vibrant colors to suit your needs. The link is in the description. AirBolt is a Bluetooth-enabled smart travel lock that keeps your suitcase valuables secure while flying. It connects to your smartphone via the AirBolt app and unlocks with a single touch of a button. To prevent accidental unlocking, the AirBolt will relock itself if the sturdy stainless steel rope is not taken out of the locking mechanism. If you somehow lose your phone, the AirBolt can still be unlocked by either using the companion app from another compatible smartphone or by entering a button combination on the AirBolt that you can program. This travel lock is TCA approved, which allows airport security to access your belongings without tearing your suitcase open. If you get separated from your luggage, the AirBolt will alert you either by using its built-in buzzer or via the app, and if you can't find your AirBolt, you can also set off an alarm manually. With AirBolt's crowdsourced GPS network, you'll be able to see your luggage's last seen location, which reduces the hassle of communicating and tracking your luggage with the airline staff. AirBolt's battery lasts for up to a year under standard usage conditions and can be charged using a micro USB cable. Designed using a die-cast zinc body, the AirBolt is available in 2 colors, gray and champagne. The link is in the description. Elos Skateboard is easy-to-learn mini cruiser built for urban commuters and non-skateboarders. Its iconic shape and extra-wide deck provide a super stable platform for absolute beginners to learn on. Inspired by race cars, with a lower center of gravity and large soft 72mm wheels, the Elos Skateboard can handle sharp turns smoothly. The built-in reflectors on the trucks make the rider visible to pedestrians and cars for night ride safety. Once you arrive at your destination, hang it easily on any counter table when grabbing a coffee, or just tuck it away seamlessly between you and the backpack. Elos Skateboard's touch-safe surface coating provides grip, retains the natural beauty of the wood, and will not scratch your clothes. Its metal bumper and hard rock maple deck combination ensures durability for years to come. Every Elos skateboard comes with a laser-engraved QR code to verify your ownership and warranty status. At only £4, the Elos skateboard is comfortable to carry around and available in 6 different colors. The link is in the description. Side Pocket is a game-changing smart fanny pack with a built-in wireless power bank. With 4 pockets in total, the main compartment is big enough for all your everyday essentials, while the outside pocket keeps quick access items separated. Unlike other tech slings, the side pocket has a hidden pocket for the wireless power bank, so you don't need to fish around for a power source in the bag. A separate soft pocket dedicated to the phone gives you easy access, and when you drop your phone in there, it will instantly start charging. The RFID safety pocket inside the main compartment is perfect for keeping all your information secure while you're in transit. Side pocket's padded back keeps it comfortable against the body, so you can wear it all day without it feeling too heavy. The quick-release strap can be adjusted, allowing you to put it on as a fanny pack around your waist or slung over your shoulder. The included wireless power bank has a 13,400 mAh battery, which is enough to keep your iPhone fully powered for 2 days. Made from waterproof materials, the side pocket comes in black, navy, and yellow colors. The link is in the description. Travel Tripod is a full-featured tripod in a truly portable form. It packs down to half the volume of traditional tripods without sacrificing height or stability. With the included ARCA-compatible standard plate, the Travel Tripod can easily handle a full-frame DSLR camera with a 70 to 200 mm lens. The leg cam levers are easy to use and can be operated together, allowing the tripod to be fully deployed in 9.8 seconds. Travel Tripod's single and precision-engineered adjustment ring gives total articulation, while the locking ring gives you further stability and vibration reduction. It takes just seconds to switch to inverted mode, which is perfect for macro or product photography, and with a few turns of the included hex wrench, you can reconfigure into low mode. The integrated phone mount lets you capture time lapses and long exposures with the camera in your pocket. Combining a 20-pound weight capacity with a 60-inch max height, the Travel Tripod comes with a weatherproof soft case and is available in anodized aluminum alloy and ultralight carbon fiber. The link is in the description. That's it for this episode. Like, subscribe, and let us know which was your favorite gadget in the comments down below.